If you recently updated Home Assistant, you may have noticed that the developer tools previously shown here on the sidebar was suddenly gone. No, this isn't a bug, but a decision made by the Home Assistant developers that has not been very popular with many users, myself included. In this short video, I'll show you how you can easily add the developer tools back to the sidebar in about 5 minutes. Hi, and welcome to Resin Chem Tech. Home Assistant 2026.2 moved a number of items around as it relates to tools and utilities. And one of these recent changes has not been very popular with many users, and I'm a member of that group. The developer tools contain a number of very useful features, such as restarting or reloading parts of Home Assistant, reviewing entity states and attributes, issuing actions, testing templates, and much more. It's an often used section of Home Assistant for many users. For as long as I can remember, the sidebar has had a direct shortcut to the developer tools. However, for some reason, starting with Home Assistant 2026.2, the shortcut was removed from the sidebar and access to the developer tools was moved to near the bottom of the settings page. So now you have to click Settings, potentially scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then click Developer Tools, where before it was a simple single click away. Yes, you can use keyboard shortcuts to search for and find the developer tools and jump directly to it from there, but that's still a lot more steps than the single click that you needed when it was on the sidebar. But I'll show you how you can easily add that icon back to the sidebar for direct access to the developer tools. First, you're going to need a way to edit your configuration.yaml file, but don't worry, I'll give you the exact YAML needed. Now, if you don't have a way to edit YAML, you can simply go to the App Add-on Store, which you can find under Settings and Apps, and install the local file editor. This will allow you to edit your YAML right from within Home Assistant, and that's what I'll be using in this video. From the file editor, or whatever editor you're using, open the configuration.yaml file. Then scroll down to the bottom of the file and enter or paste the YAML exactly as shown. Now again, you can find a copy of this YAML down in the video description. Just use care to maintain the proper indentation of 2 spaces for each if you copy or paste the code from the description. And now, ironically, we need to go to the developer tools. So in this case, we'll go to Setting, scroll down, and select our developer tools. The first thing you want to do is check your configuration. Make sure you don't have any problems with your YAML. If that passes, go ahead and click Restart and do a restart of Home Assistant. And once Home Assistant restarts, magically over here on the side, the developer tools are back again. Now, if for some reason the developer tools isn't at the bottom of the list and that's where you want it, note that you can just long press up here at the top, and that will bring up the sidebar editor where you can rearrange the order. Now, unfortunately, without substantial modifications, there isn't a way to get the developer tools back down here right above settings where it was before, but it's still back here available on the sidebar, and it does give me that one-click access to the developer tools once again. Based on the feedback I've heard so far, I suspect that a future update of Home Assistant will either restore the developer tools or simply make it a hidden item that's easy to restore without having to edit YAML. But until that time, you can use this method to restore the developer tools to your sidebar. I'll be back soon with more videos on Home Assistant, LEDs, and DIY electronics. But until that time, I'd like to say thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.